Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Last time in class, we talked about the CAD program, the project that you guys are going to be working on. Is going to be CAD. That's one of the modules that we had in our actual class. It's the 3D module where you make houses and different things, and you draw on the computer and you make them into 3 dimensions. This, you'll notice, is going to be added to our Google Classroom. It'll be there so that you can look at it. Each day is laid out what I'm going to expect you to do. Tells you exactly what I want. You'll notice it goes down to 8 days. Out next to the day, it tells you what day exactly it is. Monday, April 25th, and Tuesday, April 26th is when you're going to do this project. You'll do, I think it's 4 different projects is what you're going to actually end up making. Some of the projects are going to be on video, and I'm going to have you stop because the videos are long and it's going to take you longer than 30 minutes to get these pieces done. So like here on day 4, it says 4:10. Stop the video at 4:10. That's partway through the house. You'll stop it. You're going to send me a screenshot of the house so that I know that you're where you're at and what's going on, so I can give you credit for the day of doing the work. And then you'll just come back the next day and you'll finish that part, and then you'll share the house with me, and we'll go on that way. If you get ready to get started and don't have Google SketchUp or on your computer, you're just going to come over to our classroom, go to classwork. You go down here where it says CAD. The first thing you're going to click on is adding SketchUp to Chromebook. It's going to open up a document. Document's going to look like this. And it's going to say SketchUp here. This is just a link. Click that link. If you get confused, there's more directions down here on how to take care of it. But once you get it here, you're going to, it should pop up. If it doesn't pop up, open a new window in Google. And then you're going to go over to where it says Apps. You're going to click on the Apps. And it's going to pop up here with Google SketchUp. And then you can go, and it should look like something like this. It comes up like this. You're going to go create new. You want to use feet and inches. And then you're going to come to a screen like this. On day 1, all I want you to do is play with it. The tools on the left-hand side, these all show you how to build and make things. They help you make squares and circles. They help you navigate what's going on. On the other side, you'll see we have these other tools over here. These tools will help you figure out what's going on. You can add different things. And the videos that I have set up for you will help walk you through this. So, some basics. I don't like this guy in the middle of the way, so I'm going to click on him. Turns blue. I'm going to hit the delete key, and away he goes. I'm going to go back over here to this side. I'm going to click on this one that's got like a square. It says a rectangle. Open that up, and notice there are 5 different things I can choose from. I'm going to click the rectangle. See how it's blue? It's going to be on the ground. I can draw me a rectangle on the ground. All I do is hold down on the button, and I move, and it makes a rectangle. I can make them big, I can make them small, and it can go all of that stuff. If I want to change and I want to do something else, I can go here. This one's going to give me a circle. I can draw a circle. Now if I want to take these and I want to make them into 3 dimensions, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get this little tool that says push pull. I click the push pull tool. I go over here and I just raise it up. I can raise them up however I want to do it. As tall or as short. I can go the other direction if I don't. Oh, I didn't like that one. He's going to go down bottom. I can make him go that way. I can do the sides, make it bigger this way, make it shorter this way, out like this. So we have lots of different ways we can do this. If you get onto a key button, say like this one here, and you don't know what it means, if you go to the other side over here, there's this piece that's got this professor's hat that looks like here. Click on that, and it's going to tell you what that tool does. It's going to tell you how the tool works. And It'll explain so that you know what you're doing. Day one, all I want you to do is play with this. I don't care what you draw. I don't care what you do. I want you to get comfortable playing with the tools and knowing where they're at so that when you get ready to get started the following day, that you guys will have everything ready to go. I'm going to post all of this online so that you have it. Once you get everything set up and you've played and it's now time to actually start doing our work on the second day, day 2, you're going to come back into Classroom, Classwork, down to CAD. This time we're not going to go to adding SketchUp. We're going to go all the way down to where it says Start Here. You're going to click on Start Here, and there's going to be a Google slide. Open that Google slide, and each one of these slides that's going to pop up is going to be a different project. And I'm going to tell you the different projects that I want you to do. So the first project you're going to do is going to be this one. It's a video. You click play. It's going to walk you through how to do a lot of the different tools that I was just showing you. Once you get that all taken care of and you understand and you're going to do this, you're going to give me you're going to share the picture with me or the project that you did. So if we go back to what I was drawing over here, so all of this, I can click right up here at the top. It says save. And I'm going to save it as a test piece. So we're just going to call it test, T-E-S-T, test. And they're going to put it there. And it's going to ask you where to put it. And so it'll put it typically in your Google Drive. Stick it in your Google Drive, and once you figure out where you want it in your Google Drive, then you just go into that section and you share that piece with me. If you really have some difficulties getting it there, because see, here it comes up mine now, and it's just going to say select a folder where I want to put it. I'm going to say I'm going to put it in, I'm going to put it here in my shared folder, put it there. And then I just go back into that shared folder later. I find the piece called test, and I share that with me, or you'll share that with me. That way I can see what you guys have done. And you'll just keep doing, every day will be the same. You'll just have a different project. So one of them will be a dog house. Then you're going to make a house here. We're going to skip project 4, but we're going to do project 5. Project 5 is going to be very intricate. You guys are going to have to pay very close attention. If you need any help or you're struggling with any of this stuff, we're going to try to meet every Monday. You can ask me then. I can help you with it then. If it really can't wait, send me an email. I'll see what I can do about helping you or working you through it. Remember, guys, you want to follow the directions that I got set out here. These are the things. I'll post things in Google Classroom every day, so that you know what's due and you can get those things turned into me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go have fun and good luck.